So this video is going to be a JA Woman Wednesday video. I'm bringing them back to my channel because I know that a lot of females want me to do a lot of more hair, makeup, and beauty stuff. So I'm gonna bring them back, and more fashion stuff also. So I'm gonna bring them back. And this first JA Woman Wednesday video is going to consist of me giving you guys a update on this hair. This is a synthetic wig that I bought. I did videos on it when I initially bought it. It's very long, very long. I'm 5'6", and it hits past my belly button, and it's a magic lace wig. I'll insert a photo of how it looks in here, and I'll also tell you guys the price. I paid for it, I think it was $30 at my local beauty supply store. I know you can get it online for, I think, how much was it? I think 40 bucks. So it's a good wig. I've had this wig since May, and this is not an everyday wig. I don't wear this wig every day. I wear it for videos. I wear it when I go out. The hair is actually getting tangled in the nape area. It's shedding a lot now because it's old. So I'm gonna transform this wig into something new. I still love it. I'm gonna buy a new one though, because I don't like how tangled it's getting and all that. So we're gonna do something with this wig. So we're gonna cut this long wig into a bob, and I'm starting off by putting my hair into 2 sections. Then I'm taking those 2 sections and break them down into smaller sections. I'm getting a rubber band and putting them into little ponytails, and I'm making sure that the ponytails are very tight and very taut on the hair, so when I cut the hair, the ponytail don't slip and slide around and doesn't give me a great even cut. I was using shears at first, but obviously you can see that didn't work for me, so I'm getting some scissors. I'm sorry if I look crazy. I'm getting my scissors right now, and I'm cutting that hair, and I'm cutting very quickly and steadily through the hair to make sure the cut is even. And I'm looking at it to make sure the bottom parts are even. I can see that it's not even, so I'm going to use the shears and even out the bottom portions. And as you can see, I cut my hair longer than I wanted it to be, because I'm going to go in again and cut it to my liking and make sure everything is even. So when you're cutting a bob, it's better to cut it longer than you need it to be than cut it shorter. So I'm going to do the same thing to all the sections, and you'll see the finished product. So I'm gonna let you guys watch instead of me trying to explain. In this portion of the video, you can see that my hair isn't braided down. I don't have a wig cap on. This wig isn't glued down, any of that. So I literally just plopped this wig on my head and started the video. you need to stay tuned to see like the styling portion of the video, to see how this hair really turned out and see me doing like baby hairs and all that. So in this portion, I'm brushing out the hair as to where the hair is gonna lay when it's on my head, and then I'm gonna use a scissors and finish cutting the rest of the hair. You can see I'm cutting in a straight line with the scissors, and then I'm gonna be evening out this wig. This would be easier if you have a wig head or a mannequin head to do this, but I'm just doing it with my hand and it's a lot harder. But if you have a wig head or mannequin head, it will make it a lot easier on you. After I did all of that, and I put it in the middle part just to show you this wig is versatile also. I didn't define my part, I didn't glue this wig down or anything. My braids is not done. I can also wear this. So this is how the hair looks. It's very versatile. Can do it in the middle part, side part. So I'm actually going to buy another one of these wigs just so I can have it long, but I feel like that wig done its time and it's time to get a new one because it's a cheap synthetic wig. So if you want direct links as to where you can get it, I'll have them listed in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.